ready to unlock a world of travel without breaking the bank. Today, we're diving into how to maximize your Chase Sapphire Preferred points for amazing travel experiences. The Sapphire Preferred card offers incredible travel rewards, and we're going to show you exactly how to use them. First up, the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal. Log into your Chase account and navigate to the Ultimate Rewards portal. Here, you can directly book flights, hotels, rental cars, and even activities using your points because you have the Sapphire Preferred. Your points are worth 125 cents each when redeemed this way, meaning 0 points equals $125 towards travel. Browse available options and compare prices. The portal often offers competitive rates, making it a convenient choice. But the real magic lies in transferring points to Chase's travel partners. Chase partners with airlines like United, Southwest, and hotels like Hyatt and Marriott. By transferring points, you can sometimes get significantly more value, especially for premium cabin flights or luxury hotel stays. Let's say you want to fly United. You can transfer your Chase points to your United MileagePlus account at an 11 ratio. Do your research and compare redemption options before transferring. Sometimes the portal offers a better deal, sometimes the transfer partner does. Finally, explore the pay yourself back feature. While this option doesn't always offer the absolute best value, it allows you to redeem points to cover travel-related expenses like airline tickets or hotels you've already paid for. Simply use your card for eligible travel purchases, then redeem points to offset the cost. Keep an eye on the eligible categories as they can change. With a little planning, your Chase Sapphire Preferred points can unlock incredible travel adventures, so start planning your dream trip today. Remember to subscribe for more travel tips and tricks.